Hello friends, do you know that addition and subtraction of matrices is the most simplest topic in mathematics? Even a child in KG1 can do it. Don't go, let me show you. Then the only thing that you need to know about this topic is that addition and subtraction of matrices can only take place between matrices having the same number of rows and the same number of columns. They must be in order. They must have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. So let's look at this example on the board. We have matrix A and matrix B. So matrix A consists of the following elements. We have 1, 3, 2, 5. Then matrix B consists of 3, 1, 2, 4. So what type of matrix is this? So how many rows do we have? 1, 2. So we call it 2 by. So how many number of column? 1, 2. So we call it 2 by 2 matrix because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So we call it 2 by 2 matrix. So let's look at this one. How many number of rows? 1, 2. So 2 by. How many columns? 1, 2. So 2 by 2 columns. So they are in the same order. This one is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we can add them together. So we can only add them together when they have the same number of rows and the same number of columns. So let's proceed. So now we are looking for find A plus B. Add matrix A to matrix B. So Roman figure 1. A plus B will be equal to, so elements in matrix A, that is 1, 3, 2, 5, plus elements in matrix B, that is 3, 1, 2, 4. So we can add together. It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple. So the first element from the first row plus the first element in the second matrix. So the first element here plus the first element here. So the first element here is 1 plus the first element from the second matrix, that is 3. Then the second element here, that is from the first row, the second element, which is 3. Then plus the second element in the second matrix, that is 1. Now we are done with the first row. Let's move to the second row. So the second row now, the first element here is 2 plus the first element here, that is 2 plus 2. Then the second element here is 5 plus the second element here, that is 4. That will be 5 plus 4. So which is equal to 1 plus 3 will give us 4. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Then 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So this is the final answer. These are our answer. Very, very simple. It's very simple. So the same thing applicable to subtraction. So let's solve question 2. Let's solve Roman figure 2. So we want to take away matrix B from matrix A. That's A minus B equal to, so the matrix A is 1, 3, 2, 5 minus the matrix B. So from the matrix B we have 3, 1, 2, 4. So let's subtract. So since we want to subtract, so the sign of subtraction, that is minus. So the first element from the first row, that is 1. Then the first element from the second matrix is 3. So minus 3. Then the second element here, that is 3. Then minus the second element from the second matrix. So that is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So let's move to the second row. This is the second row. So the first element here is 2. The first element here is 2. That will be 2 minus 2. Then the second element here is 5. The second element here is 4. That will be 5 5 minus 4. So which is equal to 1 minus 3 will give us minus 2. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So this is the final answer. So we've come to the end of this class. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button. If you are watching me on TikTok, remember to follow, like, share, and leave comments. See you in my next video.